大家好, welcome to Mrs. Lin's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Taiwanese style based beef shank. It is also called 卤牛腱 in Mandarin Chinese. It is a popular appetizer and the preparation is simple and super easy to make. However, it takes about 2 hours to cook the meat to achieve that tenderness and tasty flavor. So let me show you how to make it now. Here is the ingredients overview. For this recipe, I'll use roughly 1 pound of a whole beef shank. Beef shank is considered a tougher cut of meat, which makes it perfect for this braised recipe. In the supermarket, you can find beef shank as whole cut, like the one I use in this video, or cross cut. The whole cut is much preferred for this recipe because the cooked meat will look much nicer when you slice open. But if you really cannot find the whole cut beef shank, cross cut can also be used. 5 spice is the special ingredient that adds a unique flavor to the braised beef shank. If you cannot find the 5 spice bag, you can substitute with 1 star anise or 1 teaspoon of the 5 spice powder. Now let's prepare the ingredients. Cut 3 green onions into large sections. Peel off the skin and thinly slice the ginger. You'll need about 8 slices. Next, with a fork, poke holes around the beef shank. This will help the beef shank absorb the spice liquid during braising. In a pot of boiling water, blanch the beef shank for 2 to 3 minutes to get rid of the impurities. In a separate pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, then add green onion and ginger, saute until fragrant. Next, add sugar, rice wine, soy sauce. Stir well until the sugar is all dissolved. Lastly, add the beef shank and 1 bag of 5 spice. Rotate the beef shank in the liquid to make sure it's fully coated. In a shallow pot, bring 8 cups of water to a boil and transfer the spice liquid with the beef shank. When everything comes to a boil again, lower the heat to simmer, cover the pot and simmer for 2 hours. After 2 hours, turn off the heat and let the pot cool off. You want to refrigerate the braised beef shank for a few hours before cutting. It will make it easier to cut the meat into nice thin slices. To serve, cut the meat as thin as possible. I prefer 1/8 of an inch in thickness. Then arrange them nicely on the serving plate. So here is my Taiwanese style braised beef shank. I usually like to sprinkle with some sliced green onion and cilantro, then drizzle with some marinated broth and sesame oil. Pickled vegetable is also a good complement to this dish, which I have already shown you in a different video, and I will also include the link down in the description box down below. The leftover broth can also be used for making braised beef tendon, braised bean curd products, and this broth can also be used for making beef noodle soup. If you want me to show you how to make the noodle soup, please leave me a comment down below. I hope you enjoy watching me show you how to make the Taiwanese style braised beef shank today. If you like what you are seeing, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy eating and thank you for watching.